Listen, guys, we're going to Zimbabwe.
Yes, sir.
We're so excited to be going. Listen,
Yes,
we're going to join in what God's already doing over there with young people. We've got some exciting stuff to share with you. So before we get started, though, I'm Sandeep.
I'm Dalu.
Together we are
Going to Zimbabwe.
It's not a lie.
So, why are we going to Zimbabwe?
Well, to give you a bit of backstory as to who we are, we're from Excel Church in Bilston. We're also youth leaders there with Oneighty Youth. Shout out to our youth there. And we've been involved in youth work for years. We love the next generation. That's where our heart and our passion is. You say that's where your calling is, don't you?
Well, this is a great opportunity to go back to my home country. I'm from Zimbabwe. I was born there. So this is an opportunity to go there and serve, in the place I was born. I think it's really encouraging to see how much work they're putting into the young people already. So the fact that we can go there and, be a part of that amazing work that's going on, I think it's a blessing, really.
It is.
Yeah.
We got to meet Pastor Kennedy, who's from One Church in Zimbabwe, where we'll be going in Rusape. And he was sharing with us that they're hoping for about 200 young people and children to be there when we're there for this camp. So they've got really high expectations that God is going to bring those young people and children, and that we'll all play our part in serving their needs and helping them to encounter Jesus, essentially, isn't it?
That's the main thing.
And kind of sharing the gospel. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
This is not just a short-term, small, one-time thing. There's a longevity with this project for more trips to happen in the future with it. And so we just kind of want to be a catalyst and to see what's going on and then bring it back and see what we can do here. Yeah. And hopefully maybe even send some of our young people there. That would be exciting. That would be sick. But for now, we're going, and we're going with the team as well. And the team are from One Church in Gloucester. And so there's about 8 of us. You'll see it on the picture now that comes on screen here. This is what we're excited about. We're excited that we get to join in what God's doing globally. We know God's not only working here in the UK, but he's doing stuff abroad, and we get to be a part of that. And you get to be a part of it too. We don't want to do this alone. We really believe in community, in family, and in our friends that we have as well. So if you're watching this, it's because you're invited into this with us. We don't want to do this alone. And so we'd love to invite you to donate, give anything that you can, as small as £10. We're looking for anything. Just to help towards it, And we'd also love prayer support. So if you want to be a part of this journey, this is your invitation to say, come be a part of what God's doing, and we're going to go see it, and we're going to bring you a report back to say God is doing this in Zimbabwe. He's already there. He's already working. We've heard the stories already, and we're so excited to join in it, aren't we?
Honestly.
Thanks for listening, guys.
Thank you for listening.
Bye.
That was really good.
That was really
That went
good.
really well.
I think that was it.
That was